Hello, some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to resolve this error. Xcode can't be installed on Macintosh HD because macOS 14.5 later is required. Okay, click on OK. Now what you do, go to your settings, system settings, click on the software update available. There should be an update available for your Mac machine. So there is an update available, Mac OS Sequula 15.2. The current OS which I'm running is Mac OS Ventura. So you can click on upgrade now. Click on agree. It requires a password. Click on OK. Now it is downloading Mac OS Sequula. So once this is done, guys, so you should be able to install this. It will take a little bit of time. So now you can see we have the Mac OS Sequula version 15.2. Now if we open the App Store, search for Xcode here. So click on get and install. That error is not coming. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.